chicka chicka. Ba ba bum ba ba bum ba ba bum. Verse. A minor C, hold them out. 2, 3, and here goes chorus, E minor to C. Wait for the B7. This time you don't have to wait for it. Straight. G, little walk down. Holding a D now. Here goes a lesson on 21 Pilots, The Craving. Okay, this was by request from one of my subscribers, so thanks for the request. And this is also for one of my oldest buddies, Susie. She is like one of the #1 fans of this band of all time. So another cool thing about this tune is the guy is really playing the baritone ukulele on this tune. So if you go check out the video, which I kind of patterned this lesson after the single version and the music video, has a couple stops for dramatic effect and things like that. But we're going to get started here. Go check out that video. You'll see him playing the actual baritone ukulele. So we're going to start out with a, so that's just a muting all the strings and going down, up, down, up. You could use a pick, you could use your thumb, your finger, whatever you want. So C, G, B7, and E minor are going to be the first 4 chords that we're dealing with for this song. So we're going to start out with this chicka chicka, and then we're going to get into a strum. Okay, so we're going to have that C, we're going to go down, 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 up, but the trick part is that last up there, we go to the G chord. So it's, so once we do that up there, and 2 and 3 and 4, it comes in on the and of the 4 of the previous measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, E, and up. Then we're going to go to this one. We're going to do that same up. Down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. Back to C. Down, 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 up, down, up. And then B7. So that gets into a up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So one more time, we got. So that has kind of a strong up, down, up once you've hit that B7 chord there. Okay, so let's count that in and do it kind of slow. 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up. Okay, then we're into the verse. The verse kind of feels to me like it's going like chord, bass, 2 times for each chord. So let's do that with a C chord. Kind of doing your finger with those top 3 strings to the bass note. So it's kind of like a chord, bass, kind of the opposite of a bass, chord, bass, chord. So we're going to have C to G, that B7, E minor, C again, G, B7, twice as long, and then we're going to have this A minor, 4 beats we hold that to a C, 4 beats we hold that. Okay, so that verse one more time is C to G to start with. We're going chord, bass, 3 and 4 and G, B7, E minor, C, G, B7 twice as long, and then hold A minor for 4 beats, 3, 4 to C. Okay, then we get into the chorus, which is going to start with the E minor. We're going to get into a new strum. we kind of wait to go to the B7 on that. So we got E minor, 3 and 4 and C, 3 and 4 and G, but the G to the B7, E minor. So that one's more straight, it doesn't wait. Now this one's gonna go and then a D and then a D7, and you hold those both for 4 beats. So let's look at that whole chorus again. And the chorus on the video also starts with one of those, because there's been a pause while it played like a piece of the other song. I was doing some dramatic effects things. So chicka chicka, E minor, C, G, and we wait for the B7, E minor, C, G, straight B7 this time, normal, E minor, C, G, G to the F sharp bass to the E minor, C, we're gonna hold the D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the second verse. Hold the A minor again. Hold the C. We're back into another chorus. E minor. 3, 4. E minor. C. G. Wait for the B7. E minor, C. Straight B7. Back to E minor, C. G. Then we got this G to the F sharp bass, which is like 4 with the opens. E minor, C, hold the D, hold the D7. Now we have the next kind of a verse piece. So we're gonna have C again, 3, 4. Straight to the B7, E minor, C, G, B7 twice as long. And we're gonna hit that A minor and hold it again for 4 beats. Solo, C to G again. B7, E minor, C to G, B7 twice as long. Now we're going to play through this A minor, C. Then we got the next chorus, E minor, C, G. We got to wait for that B7. E minor, C, G, straight B7, E minor, C, G, B7, E minor, C, G, B7, and now E minor twice, and then D. And then we have the last little part. This is the little solo section, which is like the intro, so it has those kind of upstrokes. So it's got. Then we have the A minor to C, hold it out, last one. Okay, so the Craving by 21 Pilots. Let's take a look at what we got again. So we got the beginning, chicka chicka. Ba ba bum ba ba bum ba ba bum. Verse. A minor, C, hold them out. 2, 3, and here goes chorus, E minor to C. Wait for the B7. This time you don't have to wait for it, straight. G, little walk down. Holding the D now. Now verse, C to G. B7, A minor C, chorus again, E minor, wait for that B7, G, walk down, D, hold the D, here goes a solo. These are all kind of straight. This time we're going to play through that A minor, the C, chorus, wait, twice, and D. And then this last little solo goes back to like the intro where it has those kind of up beats on the second chord. So down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. And then A minor, C, hold them out. And there you go. The Craving by 21 Pilots. All right, that was for our requester and for my buddy Susie. All right, please like and subscribe. Let us know if you have any more requests. I'll be getting to a lot of them in the near future. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. I'm Damon Wood. Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint.